55. Always good to double check your speed limit. The speed limit isn't just, you know, there for no reason. It's giving you a good guideline of what kind of speeds you should be doing on the road that you're on, right? If that sign says 55 and I'm taking these turns at 155, probably going to be a little sketchy, depending on my abilities. But if the speed limit says 55 and I take the road and the turns at 55, it's probably going to feel pretty good and smooth.